Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the devices and applying quick fixes that solve most glitches. Make sure the watch is charged, the iPhone is nearby, and both use the latest updates. This removes many software conflicts. Once done, force restart the watch by holding the digital crown and side button until the Apple logo appears, which clears temporary cache and stalled processes. If pairing looks unstable, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on the iPhone so the watch can re-establish a reliable connection. Once quick restarts fail, move into deeper recovery. Unpair the watch from the iPhone and the Watch app. That action creates a backup and wipes the watch, which fixes corrupted settings. After unpairing or directly on the watch, choose Erase all content and settings to start clean. When repairing, restore the backup and then reinstall apps selectively so you can spot any app causing instability. Make sure to monitor storage and background app refresh, because overloaded storage can produce lag and freezes. Finish by isolating remaining issues and seeking diagnostics if needed. If the watch still glitches after a clean setup, avoid restoring a backup and test a fresh install to confirm whether the problem is software or data related. If errors persist, contact Apple support so they can collect diagnostic logs or schedule a store visit for hardware checks. One key tip: always test for glitches after each major change so you can pinpoint the exact step that introduced or removed the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.